8 best TWS earbuds you can buy.
Out. Generic earbuds are trash. I'm a DJ, and these TOZO T6 earbuds keep me moving. 50 hours of playtime, road trip, airplane, no problem. 32 EQ presets, customize your sound exactly how you want it. Sweat, rain, these TOZO T6 earbuds are totally waterproof, so comfy you'll forget they're even there. No cap, run, don't walk, before they sell out, link in bio.
Audiophiles, stop buying earbuds before watching this. Muffled bass ruins your vibe. Workout playlist is doomed. Weak drivers deliver tinny sound. No depth, such a drag. JBL Vibe Beam. Drop the beat like never before, period. Deep bass, so good. 32-hour battery. Dust, water ready. Slay the day. Run, don't walk. Grab the JBL Vibe Beam now. Link in bio bay.
Music industry tricks to block out noise. Nobody tells you. Imagine drowning out the world just vibing to your tunes. These earbuds give you all-day battery with crazy immersive sound. It's the Sony WF-C500's tiny size, huge sound, so comfy. Sweatproof? Check. Voice assistant? Check. Stable Bluetooth? Huge check. Run, buy now.
Want to feel the bass drop without breaking the bank? I got you. 22 EQ presets? Customize it to your vibe. Find my earbuds too. 30 hours of playtime? 10-min charge equals 2 hours. Party all night. Tiny and cute. Clip it to your bag, keys, whatever. Never lose them. AI enhanced calls. Crystal clear even on the subway. No more yelling. I used these for a week and my workout PR skyrocketed. You can too. Run, don't walk. These Soundcore P20i buds are fire.
Stop buying earbuds before you see this. Huge mistake. This is TAGRY, your next earbuds. Dead earbuds mid-workout. Nope. 60 hours of playback. Sweat ruining your vibe. IPX5 waterproof. Let's go. Endless pairing. Now one step and you're vibing. Fear pain. Never heard of her. Ergonomics. Comfy fit. Bass so good it slaps. Get yours now.
Don't want you to know this earbud secret. Imagine drowning out distractions, just pure music bliss. Get studio quality sound without breaking the bank? Yes, these TOZO T10 earbuds are life, the ultimate audio upgrade. 45-hour playtime, IPX8 waterproof, we vibin' all day, air day, 32 EQ presets, and the TOZO app. Customize that bass, fam, buy it now.
I'm about to spill the tea on productivity. Imagine crushing your goals and enjoying bomb music. It's possible. 32 hours. Charge for 10. Listen for forever, basically. Okay, 1.5 HRs. Seriously, these Raycons are like tiny ear pillows. So comfy. Phone and laptop connected. Multitasking leveled up. No missed calls. Sweat, rain, dust. These Raycons are IP66 rated. Bring it on. ANC. Say goodbye to distractions. Link in bio. Grab yours now.
Tired of earbuds that sound like garbage cans? Nosy coworker, construction outside, ANC on, world off. Finally, earbuds that stay put. 3 sizes, comfy AF. All day tunes, 8 hours in the buds, 24 with the case. Bluetooth so good it's like magic. No dropouts period. Hear and be heard crystal clear. Finally, good calls. Run, don't walk. These Beats Studio buds are fire before they are gone.